So here we are at the Premier Inn Winnersh, Reading, and it's room 111. So here's our room. You walk straight in, the door on the right is the bathroom. Quick look. Little sink, toilet.
I hate these.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Baylis and Hardin hand soap there. Towels. Sort of shampoo, body wash. Big shower head up there. Yeah, more towels out here in the
This little.
area. So you've got a full length mirror. Underneath you've got a drawer here. To the side you've got 2 plugs and a hairdryer. And another mirror there, I think it's got a light in it though. Yeah. Samsung TV there on the wall. You've got plenty of hangers behind the mirror. Couple of plug sockets and a USB socket there. Just giving us a note. What does that say?
Just a little note to say, a little treat for the weekend. We hope you enjoy your stay.
You're giving us some caramel shortcake bites, 2 hot chocolates for the boys.
And a word search.
Word search.
No, not just a word search.
Got an activity pack.
I think that might be Mario.
Yeah. You then got the menu for the Bar and Block Steakhouse, which is downstairs in the hotel. You also then got teas, coffees. So you got two coffees, 2 teas. And you got the view outside, rather wet Reading. And then we've got 2 beds and then the main double bed there.
Which Josh has not claimed.
The artwork there on the wall. You've got AC over here, it puts there. Yeah, that's our room here for one night at the Premier Inn Winnersh.
Where?
Winnersh
Winnersh?
at Reading.
Cool.
Okay, thanks for watching guys, we'll see you all real soon.